Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to access the trunk, the 2021 Mazda 6, or the third generation Mazda 6, which is for the US, the 2014 to 2021 models. And as we know, the trunk is released electrically. So if you have a dead battery or something like that, it's going to be difficult to get to the trunk because you may need your battery booster, anything at all that might be in the trunk. You have a dead battery, need to access the trunk. This is the way to do it. So in the interest of the video, I've removed the rear headrest, and that's done by just simultaneously squeezing these two tabs. And of course, you wouldn't be able to get very far because the headrest would hit the ceiling. But I already opened the back of the seat and removed that just for the video. Okay, so here we go. So what you want to do is you don't need to remove the headrest to do this, mind you. But once you get used to it, you'll understand why. So you want to access this flap here. Now this is where you would put, this is actually the anchor for a child seat, okay? But on the passenger side flap, because there are actually three of them, and here, and there's another one over there. But on the passenger side, uniquely, there is a latch. Okay, I'm not sure if it's coming up very clearly. There's a little latch. You get your finger down here, and this is it right here. You push it or pull it to the towards the outside, okay, of the car. That's it. Okay, and just one pull, and it releases the seat. Okay, so once you've released the seat, it's just a matter of crawling to where you can see the internal trunk release. Let's get some light in here. Okay, and then you literally crawl into the trunk. Okay. And there we go. Trunk is open. Okay, so that's it, guys. And then we crawl ourselves all the way out. Okay. Then replace the seat. And that's it. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.